in Thailand. Look at what Thai roads can do to your tire. Big old mosquito bite, man. That's what happened. So easy, you could just smoke while dismounting tires. Alright, let's use a little encouragement. Either your knee or good old hammer. We're gonna do a quick head swap. You can see from all that oil leaking, it was from the spark plug. So if you look closely here, we got a stripped, definitely stripped spark plug. Yeah, so that's that. It's in. Got a new head. Easy peasy. 5-minute job. I'll tell you, coming home from a trip, it's always a good idea to go through your bike. You know, the bike dropped on this side, so there was a few scratch, but it was just on the ends of, you know, the highest point. Out here, got a broken speedometer. Now I might know why people were honking at me as this was just flying out like this. And I just saw it now. And the reason that didn't come out was I just loosened that. Oh, you want to check your stuff? And this thing came loose. We'll tighten that up. We got a problem. I brought my chopper. I forgot I got my bag. I'm gonna have to put this thing on my head because I really don't have a place to put this. Alright, where the hell did the pump go? Looks so tight. Hey guys, check this out, man. Look at that. So all of my noise, and I thought it was the gearing, the transmission. We were hoping it was the clutch basket, but it's actually the bearing. Now we're gonna have to split the case. Got our work cut out. You know what, since you started, you gotta finish what you started. We'll be right back. If it doesn't shake, wiggle, wobble, we are good. Here is my share of 97 over 300 baht. 320. Look at that, man. Gas is at 46.59. Look at that, she topped it up nice. I decided to change the oil in a very short period because we got new bearings in there and some washers. And there was a lot of aluminum in there. See all the metallic particle? Metallic. Oh, เหมือนสีเลยนะ We are out and about with Indy right there with his CB. I think it's 650. And good morning. I need my coffee. Beautiful day. All right, let's go. All right, we are back on the road. Let's roll. Beautiful morning, y'all. Gas looks like it's empty. Look at that. All right, that's not a good sign. But I'm glad I did fill up. I don't know how much the gas is right now, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's an arm and a leg. All right, let's continue on, y'all. All right, we pulling up for gas, but then out here we got like all the two-wheel. I guess they're out there doing something, but we're going to the cemetery, but these guys, they don't know where they're going, but check them out. We got all the two-wheel boys out here. They're everywhere. Even over there. Here's another one, you can hear them. There we go. I like that. That sounds good. I'm gonna go ask them where they're going. What they come home. People and I come home. Yeah, man. There we go, man. We got to meet some more two-stroke fans, man. I feel like I'm at an event, but then, you know, we got two-stroke, four-stroke, six-stroke, eight-stroke. We got it all. Check and come home. All right, so today's one of those rare days, you know, on a Sunday that I leave late, but all right, man, we about to go. At least I saw some of the bikes here, man. It's nice. It's been a long time I haven't been to these events, so I'm guilty. But anyways, I got to see these guys out here. All right, we out of here. All right, I made it out here and I got my filter. It's so dusty, so I'm gonna have to pre-filter my carburetor. So this is what I have to do here. Take some of that gauze out of there, or filter, whatever you want to call it, and I'm gonna stuff it in there just to, you know, make it in there and then get out of here without much crap. All right, well, here we go. All right. So hopefully that will help some here. Me and In got to go in there and help the family. That should work. That red dirt is never good, man. It's not gonna be fun cleaning up. But at least we don't have any dust in the front yet. People doing the thing. Oh, I'm not keeping an eye on the road. Oh, yeah, bumpy road. Yeah, man. Yep. Just go right in there.
Yeah, the go for the hook.
There we go. We made it in here. Oh man, definitely Ghost Rider. I think it's back here. Got the flag out. They got the tarp up for us. All right, let's find our spot here. Made it. Huh? No, we didn't. Dude, you gotta respect the ancestors, man. They're all laying at peace, no revving the engine. Thank you, Indy. Indy hooked it up. We got a nice ride, man. So we got the family out here. We're gonna pay respect. Cheers. Cousins, he's taking it out. He's like, it's like a workout. How the heck you ride this thing? There we go. There we go. I'm gonna have to send you that photo. You might have to get that R18. Chop it up. Out here. There they are. Here's Indy. Some soft sand. We are going to go over there. Let's go to the park. Yeah, so it's a beautiful place. I mean, you know, cemetery, nice and quiet. We're going to make a bust a U-turn here. I'm going to go park with the family over there. We'll park right here. Here we are. We're underneath this market. We'll probably get some drink and chill out. It's beautiful.